Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learning, Continuous Learning and Lifelong Learning. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. This video is useful to process the data from total station and produce the drawings using AutoCAD, MS Excel and SWDTM. Please watch till end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hello friends, let us learn how to process the data and prepare the survey drawings by using the data which we exported from a total station. So I have already exported a file by name campus, and let me open this. These are the data. Okay, these are the coordinates of different points. The first letter indicates the point number, second letter indicates the northing, third the number indicates the easting, and the next number indicates the elevation, and the letter indicates the station name, that is code. Okay, description. So here in this file, A, B, C, D, like they are all station points, and CW means compound wall, TR means tree, etc., etc. Okay, there are several points. Okay, fine. Now what we'll do, we will copy this entire data. Okay, copy this entire data and open the Excel. Open the Excel and paste it on second cell. Okay, now I have pasted. This is in the text format. Okay, this is in the text format. What we will do now, we will convert this text format into different columns. Okay, to do so, go to data. Okay, first of all you must select them all, go to data and now text to columns. Okay, click on text to columns. Okay, now delimit it is okay. Next you type, next you click, and now your type click here that box. Okay, comma, and say finish. Now your data in all 5 different columns. The first column name is point number. Okay, let me write its point number. Second is your northing. Third is easting. Next your elevation, and the last is code. Okay, that is the description of particular point. Okay, fine. Now we will just select them, all the points only. Okay, all the coordinates only, not the first line. Okay, leaving the first line, you select all the coordinates. Okay, in this format only. So the format is, first column is the point number, second column is northing, easting, elevation and a code. Okay, please remember this in this format only and just select them. Now you open AutoCAD. Okay, open and also open the SWDTM. So this is another software. I show you on my desktop. Okay, this is another software, SWDTM. It's freely available. Okay, you can just download it. Okay, it's available, SWDTM. Okay, and install it. Okay, once you install it, okay, now open AutoCAD and then you open SWDTM. Okay, SWDTM. Now this is AutoCAD and this is SWDTM toolbar. Okay, now you go to points and import points from Excel. Okay, you just click import point from Excel. So here now point level scale, okay, it is 0.25. let it be, no problem. If it is required, we will change it later. Okay, 0.25. now click on import points. Okay, it started importing. Okay, here you will see here, these are the points. Okay, these are the points. It's already included. You can just zoom and see, you will get some idea. Okay, look at here, point number 1012. This is a tree and the elevation is 98.693. So one part of this work is over. Now what we want to prepare the drawing. Okay, this is not a drawing, these are only the points. Okay, we'll join the points. Okay, for example, we have a compound wall. Let me join the line. Okay, we'll join all the compound wall point. Okay, let me see how we do it is. Okay, now you open this AutoCAD. Open the AutoCAD. Now you apply the filter for this first line. Just apply the filter, open the code, deselect all and click it only compound wall and say okay. Now all the compound wall coordinates are open. You select them. Okay, select them only compound wall and go to the select them. Now you go to the home, click at find and select, go to the go to special
and click on visible cells only and click it OK, copy, and you go to sheet number 2, paste them. Now only visible cells are copied over here, rest of things are not copied here. Okay, so only compound wall coordinates are here. Now what you will do, we will just club the, okay, we will convert into text, these columns into text, okay, using concatenate. Okay, here just click it over here, type is equal to, type concatenate over here. Okay, now here you just click, I don't want this point number and the description. Okay, I want only northing, easting and elevation. So you click here b1, type comma, type double inverted comma, again comma, close double inverted comma, and again comma. Again you click on next, easting. Okay, comma, open double inverted comma, double inverted comma, and again comma. Okay, now click on third one, over. Okay, third elevation, just close this now and press enter. So it is now, it is converted into text. You drag it till end. Okay, drag till end. Now copy them. Okay, open notepad, NOTE, notepad is here. Okay, you go to edit and paste it. Okay, go to the first line now. Go to the first line, create the first line, just press enter here and create the first line here. Type line, line, and go to the file and save as. Okay, this is save as. You type here CW for compound wall dot. Now you save this file. Okay, and give the file name as CW for compound wall dot SCR. Okay, SCR for script. Okay, you create a script file and give the location, whichever you want location. Let me give desktop and let me save this file as CW SCR. Now I'll close this file. Okay, I already created SCR CW file in script format. Now you open the AutoCAD. Okay, now restore down and just hold this CW script file and drop it on screen. Okay, now see, the line is already drawn. See, this compound wall line is already drawn by itself. Okay, similarly you can join all the gateway points or your building corners or your roads. Like that you can draw it is in one shot. Okay, so you can do also manually. For example, let me see gate wall line, select line command, click here, first point, second point, third point, but it will take its own time. So it's better to use this method which I have explained to you. Thank you.